Recently, I made a DIY collapsible display table with PBB housemate and Showtime Jurado Don Chan. And we use different power tools from Johnson Electric. We use Johnson Electric circular saw, router, miter saw, nailer, at syempre ang aking DIY table saw. And there's this tool na nag-stand out talaga. Kaya sabi ko sa sarili ko, hindi pwedeng hindi ako magkakaroon nito sa shop. So this is a Johnson Electric belt sander. And all of the classifications ng mga sander, ito yung nagamit ko na sobrang lakas. When I said malakas, I mean it, malakas talaga. It has a powerful motor, 1,200 watts. Teka. Parang hindi nga siya 1,200 watts. I think more than that yung power na kaya niyang i-produce. It is designed for fast aggressive sanding. Meron siya mga ergonomic design for toe handle use. May dust extraction that provides a cleaner working environment. And it comes with a hard case. This is it. Meron siyang ergonomic handles sa harap at sa likod. Siyempre, kailangan natin to para mas stable talaga yung paggamit natin sa kanya at mas kontrolado natin. As I mentioned, aggressive at hindi siya magaan. Mabigat siya. Means yung bigat na yun ang tutulong sa iyo para ma-stabilize siya on top of the surface, even hardwoods na gusto mong kinisin. At first, kala mo intimidating siyang gamitin kasi mabigat siya. But, yung bigat na yun ang tutulong sa iyo para mas madali mo siyang gamitin at para mas lapat na lapat siya sa surface na gusto mong kinisin. When you're using this, hindi mo na mararamdaman yung bigat niya. To control this machine, all you need to do is to hold it firmly sa magkabilang handles niya. You will feel na napakadali niyang kontrolin. Let's now check each other features. When you get this Johnson Electric machine, meron na siyang kasamang 2 carbon brushes. We have an outlet pipe and a dust collector bag. Na meron siyang zipper if you want to remove yung mga sawdust na na-accumulate sa loob ng bag. Very ergonomic handles, front and back. The safety trigger button, hindi mo siya mapapaandar by pressing the trigger button alone. Kailangan mapindot mo rin itong ating safety button. If we're going to replace our carbon brush, dito tayo mag-a-access. We also have a heavy-duty electric cord. The front wheel and the back wheel. This lever, pull out mo lang siya if we're going to replace the sanding belt. When we lift this lever, luluwag na yung tension ng belt natin. Pwede mo na siyang hugutin. One of the good things about this machine that this is compatible with any sanding belts brands. This is a Makita 80 grit sanding belt. Saan nga ba makakabili ng ating Johnson Electric belt sander at saka ng ating sanding belt for replacement? Aside that we could purchase it online, pwede rin kayo mag-walk-in sa Hans Infinite Tools. Located to sa Pioneer, Pasig. You could also check their Facebook pages. Check nyo lang Johnson Electric Facebook page at ang Hans Infinite Tools Facebook page. Once we lock this lever, automatic, okay na yung tension ng sanding belt natin sa machine. Because it has the pressure spring. Automatic na siyang nag-a-adjust sa pinakamagandang setting ng tension niya. Para saan naman yung screw na to na may spring? This is for adjusting the hand wheel. Ito, papansinin niyo. When I turn it clockwise, pumupunta sa right side ng machine yung belt natin. When I turn it counterclockwise, aangat naman siya or papunta sa left side ng machine natin. It means na kaya mong laruin at kaya mong timplahin yung pinakamagandang setting ng sanding belt para sa'yo. I could say that this is a must-have power tools in your shop if you're dealing with solid wood, especially hardwoods.